Well, something came from Daddy Bezos today. Let's open it up and have a look. So we've got the cable, and we have the device itself. Let's have a look. That's a splitter. Shan't be needing that. It's very thin, it's very nice. I have high hopes for this. Rode is, after all, known for their microphones. So, of course, these are the add-on for these. One of my all-time favourite headphones. Maybe not. But perhaps, when combined with this thing, it will make an excellent headset. Let's find out. Okay, so it looks like we plug it in like that. Seems legit. It's pretty cool. And we're going to have to retire this old cable because it only has tip ring sleeve, and we need tip ring sleeve. So let's see what this sounds like. This is a test of the new Rode NTH microphone attachment for the NTH-100 headphones. Does it sound clean and clear? What about when I do some plosive tests? The microphone is slightly away from my mouth, so that might help quite a bit. Let's record another section, and this time we're going to add some effects to it to see if we can get it sounding a little more professional. It's quite close as it is, but everybody needs a little help now and again. And just as a reminder, this is the sound of the SM7B, so you get an idea of what a regular broadcast mic sounds like. Yeah, so actually I'm pretty impressed with that. As far as headset mics go, it's probably the best I've ever used. So yeah, 2 thumbs up, although for £62, I should hope so. Ciao.